Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add Fibonacci levels on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView and let's add a Fibonacci. Click on it here and I will add it from here to here. Okay. Now, let's say for example, I want to add the 88.6 level. Okay. Here. So all you have to do is click on the gear icon. Make sure that you click on the Fibonacci. Click on the gear icon and look here for that level 88.6%. Okay. And click on it like this. Now the color is white. That's why you can't see it. So I will change it, for example, to let's say green. As you can see, this is our level. If you can't see 88.6 here, you can add it wherever you want. For example, let's click on this one and let's change it, for example, to 0.80. Okay, let's change its color to blue. As you can see, this is that level. Okay, I think that you get the idea. I will add here 5, for example. That level is here. And that's it. After that, just click on OK. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.